Hey guys, today we're going to do 8-6, solving rational equations. Objectives. You will be able to solve rational equations and you will be able to use rational equations to solve problems. Essential understanding. To solve an equation containing rational expressions, first multiply each side by the least common denominator of the rational expressions, and then we will cancel our denominators. By doing this, we can introduce extraneous solutions, which means we need to check our solutions. So, rational equation contains at least one rational expression, and we will use these steps to solve those rational equations. 1, factor. 2, find LCD. 3, multiply by your LCD, and by doing this, we will be canceling our denominators. 4, solve for x. 5, check solutions. So, we take our rational equation and factor. We cannot factor our first fraction, but I'm going to put it in parentheses so I know that that is one factor, plus x over x plus 3 is equal to 2 over x plus 3 times x minus 3, because that is a difference of squares. In my LCD box, that looks like LCP, so sorry, LCD, or our least common denominator, we take our denominators, our first denominators, and write it in. So we have x minus 3. We check our second. We do not have x plus 3, so we have to multiply by x plus 3. Then we check our third. We have x plus 3, check. We have x minus 3, check. So our LCD will be x minus 3 times x plus 3. What we are going to do is multiply this to our entire equation, which means writing it in the numerator of every fraction. X minus 3, x plus 3, x minus 3, x plus 3, x minus 3, x plus 3. And now by doing this, we will be able to cancel every denominator. So x minus 3 cancels with x minus 3, and we're left with x times x plus 3. X plus 3 cancels with x plus 3 plus x times x minus 3 is equal to x minus 3 cancels with x minus 3, x plus 3 cancels with x plus 3, we are only left with 2. We solve this equation by distributing x squared plus 3x plus x squared minus 3x equals 2. 3x and 3x cancel. X squared plus x squared is 2x squared equals 2. I divide by 2. X squared is equal to 1. Square root both sides. X is equal to positive or negative 1. Before I box that in, I need to check my answers, and we check by plugging them in. You guys try this one, and that is solving rational equations.